the 8th Egyptian Spanish matchmaking event to build proposals for the joint call for research, development, and innovation in IT projects 23-24, call name SCTIP, that is currently open and that will close in April 2024. The CTIP call for proposals aims to launch ambitious joint R&D projects of a high international standard between Egyptian and Spanish organizations applying ICT technologies in any kind of sector. Awarded projects will be funded by ITIDA in Egypt and CDTI in Spain. ITIDA's Information Technology Industry Development Agency, Ministry of Communication and Information Technology, Government of Egypt. Its team is composed of Dr. Amer Safwat and Mrs. Heidi Hussein. CDTI, the Spanish Agency of Innovation, Ministry of Science, Innovation and Universities, Government of Spain. This team is composed of Mr. Francisco Sanchez and Mr. José Manuel Durán. For those that met Mrs. Cristina Gracia, she has just left the CDTI MENA region delegation for another department at CDTI. We highly appreciate her effort and support during the years she worked at this department. Entering into the seminar details, here you have the main points regarding your presentation. The list of intervention is that one appearing in the program promoted in both countries. All the speakers will have 5 minutes to expose their idea and entity and the kind of expertise profile they would need in the other country. All the speakers must move their slides. In case there would be any technical issue, they would be supported by the ITIDA or CDTI teams. Questions or other interventions should be done only in the Q&A sessions. Besides, those not pitching today but would like to point out their identity could do that at the Q&A sessions too. Meetings are expected after the webinar, not during it. Therefore, if you miss the contact data of one of the entities that present, you could ask it to the ITIDA and CDTI representatives. I hope everything is clear so far. Therefore, I would like to give the floor to Dr. Amer Safwat, who will conduct the first session ICT sector. Please, Dr. Safwat, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Jose, for the introduction. And I would like to welcome everyone to the CDTI event and ITIDA event. Please, I would like that everyone keep the time limit to 5 minutes. And we're going to start with the first presentation. The project idea is Intelligent Document Processing and Arabized Application Development. The company name is RDI from Egypt. Please share your presentation and just you have 5 minutes.
Okay, I will share it now. Please tell me when it's clear. So you can share, you can see my screen?
Yes, I can see. Please go.
Okay. Okay. I'm Salah Ashraf from RDI. I'm the Director of AI and ML. First, I will talk about RDI in brief. Then I will talk about criteria for a Spanish partner and sample use case of this R&D project. And finally, I'm talking about the team member. RDI had started in 1993, was focusing on speech processing technologies and focusing on multimedia product. Then in 2001, we worked on developing software and products like digitization, the education curriculum in Saudi Arabia. After that, we in 2006, we accelerated the R&D in speech and related technologies by launching Hafs, which was a product that to be used in learning as a platform for self-learning software. After that, in 2013, we focused on AI and started working on different projects related to AI innovation. And we have partnered with Cengage Learning to work on digitizing the content of historical epic pitch library manuscripts. After that, we continued our work. So we in 2022, we won a prize or an award from King Salman Global Academy for Arabic language. We won this prize at 2022, and also in 2023 we got awarded by Mohammed bin Rashid Arabic Language Award for having a text-to-speech product named Natiq. We are working now. We are continuously developing AI software solutions related to speech processing, text-to-speech, OCR, and NLP analysis. We are also working on CAPT, computer-assisted pronunciation teaching for learning Arabic and other languages. This is the awards that we had. In 2018 and 2019, we got an award related to the OCR of many of Arabic manuscripts. Also, in 2017, we got an award, the first place for Johns Hopkins University competition related to speech recognition. We also get MGP 5 related to speech recognition also. We won a competition by developing a solution to detect plagiarism in documents, and different awards, as you can see in this slide. The client that we worked with was the MCIT, was also the QNL library, Qatar National Library. We worked with ILM. We worked with WIPO, the World Intellectual Property Organization, for digitizing some patents, worldwide patents. We worked as a speech recognition research lab with WebEx. We developed a speech recognition system and a chatbot for an organization in Egypt, healthcare organization named Bahia. We worked with Samsung. We worked with the Supreme Council of Universities. We had worked with a lot of clients, but this is a sample of them, as time won't allow to talk about them. The pattern of interest, we are focused. We want to that our Spanish partner have an R&D experts, have technical infrastructure and computational sources, to be able to do huge experiments. We also want to know the previous collaboration details, a lot of details about collaboration with companies or research institution, and what was the achievement from this collaboration. These are all the points that we wanted to know about Spanish partners to help us select the good or the right partner, so we can have outcomes. Outcomes. The use cases, the first use case is IDP, artificial intelligence driven document analysis. As I will share how is the system or the proposed system will do. We want to develop different applications to use AI so they can capture, categorize, and extract the essential data in documents, to turn it into workflow, to analyze, to ease or to automate the process for other documents, for other similar documents. Starting with NER, then classification modules. These are all the models or the technology stack that are can be used in the ITP that need to be developed to work in the ITP.
Please, 1 minute left. 1 minute left, please.
Okay. This is the pipeline of the document. The document that we are analyzing related to the contracts. First, we need to determine the data and the type of contract. It's the data, the day and date, and these are the types of contracts that need to be extracted or that need to be classified. Then after that, we need to extract the parties of the contract, like the first party, its affiliation, its address, and so on. Also, we wanted to extract the subject of the contract, the test period, its effective data, its salary, and so on. These are samples of the data that can be extracted from a contract. After this is the single use case. related to the data annotation enhancement. We want to work on develop a new solution that can ease the process of annotating and enhancing the data. Finally, this is the team profile that we have in RTI. Dr. Mohsen Ashwan is the chairman and managing director. Me as the AI and machine learning director. Dr. Yasser Faiz is the unit director, the data strategic unit director. Mr. Khalid is the data processing manager. Inj Mahmoud as the head of innovation center, and Inj Muhammad Hassan as the project manager officer in our company. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you for your concern about it and for your listening.
Thank you, Inj Salah. And we're gonna go to the second presentation. The title is Post-Quantum Cryptography Algorithm, Hertfordshire University and High-Tech Dev. Please proceed.
Now you can see my screen?
Yes, we can see it. Yeah, go ahead. Inj Marwan, go ahead.
Yes. So we all know the risks of quantum computing and the coming edges of quantum computing. So we start thinking with collaborating with the University of Hertfordshire and collaboration with Innovative Solution Development High Technology, the legal name. So we know that traditional encryption for methods for growing risks such as quantum computing and quantum computing have really potential breakout in the next upcoming 15 years. So in the next 5 years, or from 5 to 15 years, we might have faced some quantum computers will be available to break in public. So our cryptography keys, which we have currently in 24 hours going on, would not stand in front of any of those. Will not stand in front of any quantum computing. So we have searched some way ahead. So we should work on algorithm for this quantum computing, working on the normal hardware we have currently using now, such as MacBooks, such as normal OSs. So here is our perspective for this research, and we are going through now. Firstly, the risk of some industries are much vulnerable for quantum threats than other organizations are required by regulation to secure data they stole. Whether the data consists of personal customer information, digital records, governmental classified data for a breach such in a natural way, or could lead to catastrophic financial and reputational issue. So possibly those organizations are unaware of the cyber attacks could happen from quantum computing, accessing and storing encryption data within the aim of decryption in the future using quantum computers. Therefore, it's crucial to begin strengthening our data protection measures now to ensure our sensitive and critical data is protected, minimizing the potential of the impact of the quantum tools once they become available. So we need to be 2 steps or 3 steps ahead from quantum computers. Our post-quantum encryption algorithm are moving really fast. NST standardization in 2024, Crystal Keepers is designed for general encryption purposes, and Crystal Detail and Sphinx Plus are designed for digital signatures. Still, they are not the only best choices when it comes to practical implementation for nowadays hardware. A study will be proposed from our side to implement the best fitting of algorithms and respect the existing of hardware capabilities in the market. And different uses are included, so we could have limited time delays. So once the quantum computing appears into the market, we have our defense is ready. Our proposal is going through, or after working on our algorithm, we're going to be implementing or finalizing with a quantum chat messenger, quantum guard messenger. So it could use could be designed to secure it for a specific encryption techniques with our algorithm to prevent our sensitive data. That's going to be something like a first trial. Our future work is going across platforms, digital signatures, and general purpose of software plugins, integration with common programming languages from any library. In conclusion, in recent advancements in PQC and our customer apps are the vanguard of a new era in cybersecurity and sign that the tech of industry is taking quantum threats seriously nowadays. as quantum computing moves from science fiction to reality, question is, do we really have a post-quantum cryptography to stop this quantum computing? It's so quickly, and things are evolving really fast, and in major markets and in higher markets, nobody is taking to advance that using a quantum algorithm or the post-quantum algorithm in our normal hardware. So when they work, they can succeed on working with it on a quantum computing, but since there is not a quantum computing nowadays in the market, they cannot implement on the normal hardware. Our business criteria is patenting the algorithm through different typographies, also licensing to technology companies such as high-end network technology companies, and we could share a technology transfer. That's our business criteria. With consulting advisory services we could provide, such as by applying a patent to protect our post-quantum algorithms. This will give us exclusivity rights to the algorithm for a certain period, allowing to license it. License to companies, the algorithm companies that are looking for post-quantum cryptography solutions, such as cybersecurity firms, tech companies, financial institutions, and then the most people are going to look, or the most firms are going to look to our quantum computing, post-quantum computing typography. Also, the opportunities for the technology transfer, where algorithm is transferred from the research to the main to the commercial sector. And finally, the advisory services we could provide to, such as new implementing technology companies in the market. And that's it.
Okay, thank you, Marwan.
Thank you.
And basically, thank you. And we're gonna go to the third presentation. The title is Visualizing Tomorrow, Exploring Synergies in Computer Vision and VR for Collaborative Innovation. It is by the German University in Cairo and the ITCAN company. So please, Injirania or Dr. Mohammed, you have the floor. Injirania, you are muted, by the way. Injirania, you are muted.
Hello, everyone. Yeah, one
Yes.
second. Let me share my screen. Okay. Here we go. You see my screen now?
Yes, you are. This, yeah.
Okay.
It will be better if you make it full screen, but it's up to you.
Okay, sure. I think it's already full screen.
Okay, go ahead, please. Yeah, you can go.
Okay, yeah, okay. So thank you for the opportunity. I'm Rania Reda. I'm the co-founder and CEO of ITCAN for Smart Solution. I'm here today to represent our consortium or partnership between our company and the German University in Cairo. A quick brief about ITCAN. ITCAN been in the market since 2013. We started off as a digital transformation consultant. We worked with the EBRD, the European Bank for Reconstruction and Development, through which we helped a lot of companies, different scales, different sizes, with their digital transformation journey. Here to mention just few names of our customers. We worked with Egypt Air, Summit, which is the biggest oil and gas downstream, midstream company in Egypt, Amar, UNESCO, Unilever, Nielsen Market Research. All of these activities were kind of digital transformation consultancy and software development. Then in 2015, we established our first augmented reality platform. It was a no-code SaaS B2B AR content creator. We established that as a subsidiary in San Francisco, then another subsidiary in Berlin in 2019, and we ended up acquired by SAP. For the European and US and Northern America market, we basically served with our AR own product. And we had, like, to mention a few of them, Daimler-Benz, MENA business partners. In Europe, mostly our customers are in Germany, France, and UK. In the Northern America, while we had also our subsidiary there, we worked a lot on augmented reality and other immersive technologies with Coca-Cola, Roche, BBDO, and others. What we can provide, and we are confident that we can, if we find the right partner in Spain, we can do work on these verticals, is of course the digital transformation, which is our area of expertise, the advanced vision algorithm development, where we are looking for a partner that would complement our proficiency in creating and optimizing algorithms for image processing, object recognition, and feature extraction. For the deep learning and generative models customization and training, we are specialized have knowledge in deep neural networks. And I have also Dr. Mohammed Salim with me today to answer any technical questions. We have the vertical for data collection and augmentation, cross-domain applications, AR and VR expertise. As I mentioned, we're here to complement each other. We've worked with the German university through 2 projects funded and sponsored by ETIDA. And actually, we're working now on an algorithm to transform 2D images and videos into 3D models using machine learning. And we're looking for a potential partner that has the global exposure, has the industry connections that would help us also, again, expand our services and products to the Spanish market, as we did with the German, English, and French market, with a long-term vision, because we would also look into some R&D opportunities that we have in hand now working on, and would like to discuss it with our Spanish partner, with a research excellence, aligned expertise with what we have, and of course, innovation culture. I'm trying to be as fast as I can because I know we have limited time. Thank you.
Many thanks, Angelania and Dr. Mohammed. Wish you good luck. And we're going to go to the 4th presentation. The title is Indoor Localization and Tracking from Egypt, Japan University of Science and Technology and the Planet X Smart. Dr. Maha Sabrut and Njihab. Dr. Maha, are you available? Okay, great. Please proceed. Can you make it full screen,
just
please?
Unmuting. Good evening. Good morning, everyone. Is it shared? It's not shared. Is it shared?
It is shared.
See the screen?
Please, yeah, just make it full screen if possible.
Okay, I will go full screen and I'll go directly. So our presentation today is about a collaboration between Egypt Japan University of Science and Technology and the Planet X. We are Alexandria based in Egypt here, and we have collaborated before, and we're having a consortium mainly regarding indoor localization and tracking. So regarding Planet X, I have engineer Ihab attending the meeting too, and he has provided me with these slides. It was founded in 1998, and it is a culmination of extensive effort to the most qualified information technology professionals team in Egypt. It guarantees the success by ensuring providing clients with a wide range of products and fulfilling every need. They mainly look at digital transformation, and they also interested in things like RFIDs and tracking and hardware related to IoT and applications. So they are in software and in the hardware of the IoT. They specialize in sales to supply high-end items, marketing effort to inform the market of the presence of both products and support structure. They are working with different companies in Egypt in solutions related to security, training, indoor localization, software developing, and the e-commerce. On the other hand, Egypt University, they have solutions regarding product planning, warehouse management. They are excelled in that department, especially with the RFID solutions and the Bluetooth localization, point of sales, healthcare and medical application, agile resource tracking, textile and enterprise resource planning. They give services regarding consulting, development, business analysis, web design, networking, maintenance, ER implementation, software design, architecture, and training. And they have like a good connections in the Egyptian market and in the Gulf area. And we're looking forward to expand that to the European market, especially through the collaboration with the Spanish partners. Myself, in the academic side, I'm Professor Maher Sabrouti. I'm Professor of Wireless Communication and Signal Processing in Egypt, Japan University of Science and Technology. And just to brief about Egypt, Japan University of Science and Technology, it is one of the leading universities in Egypt regarding research. And we have like a good number, a healthy number of students doing their research in the master's and the PhD in like high-end research labs regarding different applications of wireless communication and hardware design also. I'm mainly interested in related things that are related to MIMO communication, machine learning generally for communication systems, and different generations of mobile networks like 5G and 6G, IoT wireless communication. We can actually place the localization and the indoor localization under this department. And I've been the PI of several R&D projects, and already have collaboration with the company Planet X before in research projects. So to think about like the indoor localization, it's about real-time detection of persons and objects inside a building within a bounded area, mainly based on RSI and the triliteration, along with some other like proprietary software that they can develop. We can benefit from angles, time of arrival, and massive number of antennas, anchor points, and merged with sensor data for better accuracy. New AI and ML techniques can be incorporated. We already have a prototype that is based on triliteration and sensor fusion, along with modifications are specified to the company. We can benefit from fingerprinting to have small bounded errors. We have already one publication in IEEE and it's already indexed, and an industrial product that can be readily deployed. If we are looking at what we are trying, we have a very specific idea about improvement. We're looking at applications that are not in harsh environments, and we're not looking at indoor localization in like industrial
just 1 minute, please. In 1 minute,
industrial plants or anything like that. We're looking at minimizing the number of anchor points and applying AI and machine learning. So improve the choice, deployment of sensors, incorporating machine learning, and extension to specific indoor localization scenarios and application, a variant product for harsh environment. We're looking for a company in Spain that has one or multiple of the features that is specialized in IoT applications, object tracking, or in IoT hardware development, assembly, and sensor design, or in wireless and networking technology, or maybe one A and B or B and C. And I would like to thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much.
Many thanks, Dr. Maher. Wish good luck in your presentation. And we're gonna go to the 5th presentation. The title is V-Guard AI-driven CCTV analysis solution by the German University in Cairo and Enhanced Company. The presenter will be Eng Mu'nis Sadiq and Dr. Mohammed Abdelmajid. Please proceed. The floor is yours. Yes, we can hear you, Dr. Eng Mu'nis. Go ahead, please. Yes, it's shared. Yes, it is shared.
Thank you, everybody. I'm Mu'nis Sadiq. I'm a CEO of Enhance for Cloud Technology. I'm here to introduce our recently product for a V-Guard. Okay. As you know, our team is consistent of an academia part that presented by Dr. Mohammed Abdelmajid Salim and Dr. Mohammed Abdelghani, which is here, and myself as an industrial part. Enhance, for in a brief, it established in Egypt since 2009, and we are specialized to provide.
Dr. Mu'nis. Dr. Mu'nis.
Okay, I may continue.
Yes, I'm going to share from my side. Dr. Mu'nis is
back.
I'm sorry, I got an electricity cut.
Okay.
I will share it again very quickly. Okay. So basically, we are looking for a Spanish partner that could utilize our AI and ML capabilities, or we can extend our technical.
Dr. Moniz, nothing is shared. I can't see nothing from my side. Maybe I'm gonna share from my side. Please just stop sharing. I will share from my side.
Please.
Go ahead. Dr.
Okay.
Moniz. Okay.
So as I was saying, we are looking for a Spanish partner who can utilize our ML and AI capabilities, or we can extend our technical activities with them and with his team. Or on the other hand, we are looking for a commercial partner who can take our product to the next level in the European market. Very quickly about VGuard. VGuard is an intelligent computer vision CCTV analysis system that uses ML AI to analyze feed any CCTV system to serious or harmful.
Dr. Muhammad, I'm sorry. I think let's go with Muhammad, Dr. Muhammad Salim. Let's give the presentation instead, because the voice is not that good. The quality is not that good. So let's go with Dr. Muhammad Salim.
Okay. So I will give a short description about the product VGuard, which is it's an AI-based technology for supporting CCTV cameras with multiple surfaces based on deep learning and machine learning. It is very highly customizable since it has been completed or developed in-house. It could be used in small indoor places or outdoor places. It could be used also in big compounds with big infrastructure like airports, residential compounds, sport clubs, stadiums, and so on. We have a list of features, and some of these features are already completed. About 70% of the features are already completed and backed in a web-based application. And 30% of the features are still under development and will complete it very soon, maybe in the next few months. We may go to the next slide. These are some features. I will just go through 2 or 3 features, important features. The first one is video summarization. In video summarization, it's simply an attempt to reduce the amount of saved videos without losing any important information. So we use convolutional techniques besides deep learning techniques to achieve highest reduction rate of frames, and in the same time keep whatever could be important for later investigation. The next, please. Based on facial recognition, we have multiple services like people identification or people also re-identification, which means that we can recognize people even without having names of these people and with very limited number of training images. We also, based on facial recognition, we have age and gender recognition, which we have reached very high accuracy. We can also have features like people counting in indoor.
Let's go faster. Let's go faster, Dr. Muhammad, because we are running out of time.
We are almost done. The last feature is about heat map and fire and weapon fire detection and weapon detection. It's we have multiple surfaces that's about the abnormal event detection, where like fire, like smoke, like abnormal actions like fighting, also weapon detection, knife and guns are recognized. That's all based on object recognition. Also, we have some features designed for traffic monitoring. like traffic or vehicle tracking, long-term tracking, license plate recognition in Arabic and Egyptian license plates, and also smart parking systems. We have a complete management systems for parking lots. These are our contacts, and as Mu'anis said, we are very interested and keen to have cooperation with the Spanish partners. There are many options to cooperate, including working together in new development algorithm, research and R&D projects, or to support our work and take Project VGuard into next commercialization level. Thank you very much.
Sorry, Dr. Mohammed, and sorry for this interrupt. And we're gonna go to the sixth presentation. The sixth presentation is basically device management and the quality monitoring expansion, co-developed of an applied AI maintenance system. The company is from Spain, Azeros. Mr. Luis Rodriguez, could you please just, the floor is yours. Go ahead.
Good morning, everyone. Do you hear me well?
Yes, great.
Just
can you make it full screen, please, if possible?
I'm going there. You said?
Yes, great.
Very good. So, yeah, thanks, guys, for your time. I will try to be very short. Basically, I mean, first, myself, I'm the country manager of Axios Spain. Axios is a company headquartered and based in Germany. I think this will help me as a summary. So we are in 11 subsidiaries around the world. As you see, many sites around the world. We cover the 5 continents. We are more than 20 years in the business. Our business is open device management and service management. Basically, just to make it short to those people that are not telecom savvy, we manage the routers. I mean, all these routers that have given issues to my colleague of the previous talk that was having so many connectivity issues. So some management system need to manage those. A long time ago, the Broadband Forum invented a standard called Tier 69. Doesn't need to be familiar to you, but basically this protocol, this standard, means that all the devices need to speak and have similar data models and speak similar protocols to connect to the other systems. Yeah. So in this domain, we have been number 1 since our foundation in 2002, because we have been co-designing and co-developing those standards. Now with the newest one called Tier 369 or USP, we are also number 1 in this domain. And yeah, basically this is the foundation of our strength. As you see, more than 400 projects running around the world, more than 300 customers. And from the not so big company we are, 172, 137 are software engineers and telco engineers, which means that we are extremely technological company, German-based, and today I'm talking from the Spanish subsidiary. Why is the Spanish subsidiary important for you today? Because Axios Spain will become the innovation hub of Axios, and here is where we are pushing the new portfolio that I will explain shortly. As part of our mission, and I think this is important,
machine learning and AI algorithms. What we can do, the process going, such as you see, we are collecting soil samples from customers and make a sample preparation, such as grinding and sieving. And then we put the soil sample to be scanned by the sensor. We take the spectral data and put in this data and the machine learning model. The machine learning model will do the magic actually. Then the report will be printed, including all soil properties values and also the recommendation corresponding to values. This process can take 2 hours only or less than 2 hours. We are providing also some other services such as consultations to the farmers and land evaluation. We can say to the farmer to cultivate this crop instead of your crop. This crop will make more profit or more money. And we also providing soil mapping services. As you see, the size of soil analysis is very big. We can take a small part of this market by our technology in the beginning, and then we will expand. opportunities such as these companies, as you see, they are using the real-time field soil scan. They apply their technology in the smart agriculture, precision agriculture using IoT and wireless sensors. We can make the similar technology in our countries. As you see, our technology is, if you compare to the traditional laboratory, we have some advantages.
Dr. Ali, please, 1 minute left.
Okay. We are providing the service with a very low cost and also with high speed, and take only 2 hours to process. We make some revenue in the very small scale this last 2 years, and we can make very high revenue. So we need a partner actually to make a scale outside Egypt, and also enhance our models, and also apply or generate soil database in Spain or in other country in Europe. Our team is have more than 15 years in experience in agricultural science, especially in soil science, and we are making now some expansion in Morocco and Saudi Arabia. And if you want any question, you can contact us. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Ali, for the presentation. Let's move to Dr. Osama Omer and Engineer Ahmed Kassem from the Aswan University of Advanced Computer Systems from Egypt, that are going to expose his partner research in remote monitoring system using deep learning technique. Please, the floor is yours.
Yeah, thank you. This is Osama Omar. I'm presenting our proposal for possible cooperation, which is remote ECG monitoring system using deep learning technique, which is in research area of healthcare medical devices.
Please, can you put full screen, please? Or more presentation mode.
Our teamwork actually include the very wide range of team members, including academics and industrial cooperation, and medical staff cooperation, and international cooperation with URVs in Spain, and Nanyang, Singapore, and Tohoku University, and industrial, actually including ACS company in Egypt, and medical staff, including Magdi Yaqub Health Foundation, and medical staff in Aswan University, medicine faculty of medicine. Actually, our related publication include in this content or in this topic specifically, including many publication journal publications in this topic, and also we have a similar prototype for the contactless instrumentation blood pressure monitoring using remote monitoring for blood pressure using video based, which is in production phase. Our objectives here is to develop a remote video-based ECG monitoring system for observing and measuring ECG signals or waveform of patient at home. We actually will employ a novel techniques that enable accurate and convenient measuring or monitoring system. The feature for possible industrial partners is a Python API to prototype experience, familiar with AI applications, aware of medical device requirement, and also ready to cooperate with Egyptian industrial partner for productization of our prototype. Here, market analysis include there are many solutions is available in the market actually, but actually by analyzing this solution, the main problem of this solution is inconvenient because it's based on contacts with leads to patient, and also the cost of some of these solutions are really high. So we seek to give a solution which is convenient to patient and also to be remote, so that it will be available
Professor
for everywhere.
Please, 1 minute left.
Okay, so this is our main clue for the proposal is to map the relationship with ECG and PPG signal, which is possibly measured from the remotely from face or fingertips, so that we can get. The main idea is to estimate ECG from PPG measurement, which is which can be remotely estimated, and then we can get the mapping feature of PPG to ECG, and then get ECG signal waveform. Innovation of this actually, which we will use video-based rather than using a leads-based or contact with a patient, which will be convenient for patient. Actually, the methodology include the machine learning or deep learning and spectral analysis and the PPG estimation remotely based on the videos, and mobile application for to be available for patient as a mobile app. Our contacts including my email and the telephone number. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Professor Osama. Let's move to the next speaker, Engineer Mohammed Kamal from Tech. Sorry, that's going to provide us a presentation of technology and quality driving Crew. Please, the floor is yours.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay, so my name is Mohammed Kamal. I'm the managing director and one of co-founders for Cutech. Cutech simply is a leading engineering services and technology products development company. We specialize in the embedded systems and the cloud technologies. We just started beginning of 2023. As a founders, we have experience in different sectors, including software development, industry 4.0, IT consultancy, and services on a global scale. Specialized specifically in automotive. This is a sample of our expertise with automotive OEMs, working in software development and product development with them throughout our journey in different companies. And also in terms of industries we are covering, we have two main sectors. The first part is the engineering services that we are partnered with some companies to provide them services in development, and the other one is our technology and technical products, which is also in the same sector of the industries we are covering. We have a diversified range of industries, including automotive, consumer electronics, industrial 4.0, IoT, and medical tech, which is again all under the same umbrella of cloud technologies and embedded systems. So coming to the Egyptian Spanish Innovation Program, we have one product we will be talking about here, which is we see the challenge existing right now in automotive and mobility landscape, which is coming from the alarming rate of road accidents existing all over the world, and also coming from the driving practice, the inefficient driving practice we have for the drivers, which is impacting fuel consumption or energy consumption for the car. And also we see that there is a huge, let's say, gap in the predictive maintenance part in the automotive industry, which is impacting a lot of things like cost and also operation efficiency of the car or the vehicle. Besides that, also we have a lot of regulations which is coming up from the government related to mobility and automotive as well, which is need to be integrated with the solutions we are developing. So this is a sample of some surveys have been collected showing the traffic injuries and showing how the driving habits is impacting the fuel consumption, and showing how users are taking the predictive maintenance on their side or not. So coming to our solution, what we are doing, we're doing something called Crew Copilot. It's a product, mix of different technologies. we have in this product leveraging cutting-edge technologies like AI, LLM, and also including also a real-time data analytics, and including also some technologies related to machine learning. What we are bringing here, we try to bring breathe in the vehicles. This is what we are doing in this product. We are implementing kind of eco-driving experience for the driver. We have data-driven insights, and the last part, we are trying to focus on the safety and efficiency with this product. So what we are doing simply in this product is, okay, so our product is consists of three main elements. The first element is a standalone device which is connected in the car, and it's very cheap and very simple. We developed our own, and second part, we have a mobile app which will be extended to a super app, and third part, we have a cloud management part, including all the other things, which is big data analytics, machine learning, AI, and dashboards for the users and the back-end users. So this is simply our product consists of three parts. As we can see, we have so many technologies.
Engineer Mohammed, please, 1 minute left.
Okay, I will go quick. We have so many technologies involved in this product, including cybersecurity, wireless connectivity, embedded system, mobile, edge computing, IoT. So all this cloud computing even. That's why we are looking to it as unlimited possibilities. We can see this is a very simple, funny picture, but this is what we are looking for. We have a real talking cars. This is what we are looking for in our product throughout the data we will be bringing for this product, and extended to a vehicle to everything connection. So this is our crew right now, consists of ourselves as an industrial partner, and we have also academic partner. We're still discussing with multiple partners in discussion right now on this part to work with us in the AI and machine learning and also data analytics. Last part, for partnership with the Spanish companies, we see a huge possibilities in different partners we can work with, including mobility solution providers, government regulators, insurance techs, and also vehicle maintenance centers or operators, fleet management operators, and transportation providers. So this is my last part, and this is my contacts. Feel free to contact me for any questions or potential partnership. Thank you.
Thank you, Engineer Kamal. And last but not least, let's finish with Engineer Mohammed al-Mudathir from the Quadratics Egypt, that will give us a presentation in automated and guided vehicles. Please, the floor is yours.
Hello, everybody. I'm Mohammed al-Mudathir from Quadratics. I'm gonna talk briefly about the proposed solution. This is the agenda for today. I'm gonna talk briefly about Quadratics, then sample of projects,
full presentation,
and then
please.
Okay.
Make it bigger.
You can see my screen now.
Perfect.
Better?
Go ahead, please.
It's
Let's
full
proceed,
screen.
please. Yeah.
Can you see it now?
Yes.
Okay.
Go ahead, please.
Okay, so briefly about Quadratics. Quadratics is a technology company with more than 15 years of experience, specialized in integrated systems. So we provide end-to-end solutions, hardware and software. And building on that, we have an expert team of engineers, including software developers, system engineers, mechanical engineers, embedded software engineers, and embedded hardware engineers. Here I'm gonna talk about briefly about the sample projects that show our capabilities and what we are able to do. The first one is called FPGA signal processing board. This board is applied to ultra-fast processing. This one is mainly used for radar systems and embedded with laser diodes and laser systems that can be used for radar systems, medical imaging, and communications. The other one is called Link 11 modem. This solution, our customer was facing a challenge to have like 16 physical channels and modems, and he would like to replace that with a small and compact solution that is based on software. So we developed this solution to handle this challenge, and for that we use Texas Instruments DSP chip with algorithm and software that is built onto this chip to handle this through software means, not physical means, and also at the same time to make the chip or to make the board very compact. Hello, can you still see my screen and hear me?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So this was very challenging, and we secured it in a very compact solution, providing software, embedded software and embedded hardware to facilitate this challenge. I'd like to finish with this sample project. This was based or built for military customer. This one I'd like to see, or I'd like to present as a simple form of the AGV, the proposed project that we are gonna talk about. This one is called Military Life Target Training and composed of portable target units. These target units move alongside a trail, and we designed all the solution from scratch, including the internal boards, the communication, the casing, the electromechanical parts that would resemble the target itself, and also the software that is used by the officers to configure the scenario, the training scenario. So this whole solution was developed entirely by Quadratics, and it's a simple form of the AGV. Okay, so talking about the AGV, sorry, before going to that, I'd like to highlight that we provide our solutions and our services as modular.
Engineer Molater, 1 minute left, please. 1 minute.
Okay. Please. Okay, so regarding the automated guided vehicles, we target the supply chain industry with this one. We are designing this solution to be scalable and to be flexible, so that we can customize it more into the future according to the customer requirements and needs. And here are the technological areas of the solution. Mainly, we're going to focus on the embedded systems like hardware, the casing, the moving parts, the electromechanical parts, the communication system, the sensors, etc. And we would like a partner that would complement us, building the software that is going to control these automated guided vehicles, like the mapping software, the software that is the fleet management software, and inside this software, artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms should be implemented to provide the best like routing and management of these AGVs. Mainly our partner should have development experience in software development, machine learning, and AI. Also, he should have safety standards and knowledge and industry knowledge, plus having a data analytics capabilities to handle this software. And we're going to integrate our solution into this software to have an end-to-end solution. So this is briefly what we're going to do. And if you need, you are interested in communicating with us and collaboration, here are my contact details, and would love to collaborate with you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Engineer Molater. I guess that we finished the second session pitches. I would like to give the floor to Dr. Amer Safwat for the Q&A sessions and the closing remarks. Yeah, Amer, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Jose. Maybe you have some few minutes. If any Spanish or Egyptian companies would like to give just 1 minute verbal presentation about its activities and would like to share it. So please raise your hand. Okay. Actually, I see a lot of activities on the chat. Sounds as groups are forming. So if anyone have any questions, please raise your hand. Okay. Yes, I can see. Dr. Karim.
Hello, everyone. I have maybe one question. The presentation from TEPRO from Joaquin was quite interesting. I'm a little bit in a different field from renewable energies, but we are interested in studying how can renewable energies help in putting better situation, better climate conditions for some crops in Egypt, and maybe improve their pest resistance or improve their or shift a little bit their time. So it's something like a greenhouse, but in an open place. So I was wondering if TEPRO they were, or anyone has been working on something that they can collect data, especially like controlling temperature. For some crops like banana trees or whatever, can control the soil temperature or the bark temperature itself, and if this will have an effect on the productivity and yield. So does anyone have this amount of data or will be interested in working on a project like this? And this heating will be applied by renewable energies like solar energies. That's the scope.
Okay, maybe it is better, Dr. Karim, if you just put your contact info and a brief description of your ideas or your project in the chat. So if anyone has interest, he may contact you. Is there any other questions or ideas for proposal? Apparently, it is all set. Yes, Maha, Dr. Maha, go ahead.
No, I was just having a question. I mean, like if we now find a Japanese, a Spanish company to collaborate with, how should we proceed from here?
Actually, Dr. Maha, there was a company. I think the presenter was Mr. Luis Rodriguez. He was about communications protocols and the applications of AI and machine learning in communication protocols. I don't know if you checked the chat or not, but people showed interest in communications and the applications of AI and machine learning in communications. So I do recommend that you check the chat. After the meeting, we're gonna collect the presentations and we're gonna send the presentation to the attendees with all contact information as in the presentation. And from that point, actually, people will communicate with each other and form the consortium. And again, then they will write the presentation. Actually, in my concluding remark, I'm gonna mention the deadline and how they will submit the proposal, inshallah. Any other questions? Jose, go ahead.
Thank you, Amr. I just wanted to add to your reply that both agencies have a partner search template in case you didn't find suitable partners in this seminar or those presenting is not what you're looking for. Both agencies can help you to find suitable partners in our countries through completing this partner search document and promoting it. So in case that I don't know, maybe in a week time or so, your conversations with other country speakers are unsuccessful, or you don't find someone adapted to your expectations, don't hesitate in contacting both agencies to promote your partner search in our ecosystems.
Okay, great. Thank you, Jose. And Mohammed Al-Mudathir.
Yes, thank you, Dr. Amr, and thank you everybody for this fruitful meeting. I'd like to highlight that we are open to participate or to help in any endeavors that you might need. Our company Quadratics is a service provider for the embedded solutions, as I just mentioned briefly, and would like to help you and to have successful projects with you. Thank you.
Thank you, Engineer Muhammad. So I think maybe I need just to give my ending or concluding remark. Basically, CDTI and ITIDA through the Egypt-Spain Information Technology Innovation Project would like to thank you for your participation in this event. We hope that this event to be concluded by building up successful partnership between Spanish and Egyptian partners. Kindly note that the due date is April 18. The submission is currently open. The Spanish partner can submit through CDTI website. Soon, inshallah, we will share with you presenters and attendees the presentation, and also we're gonna share with you a partner search if you would like to write a partner search, and we're gonna disseminate this partner search between Egyptian and Spanish companies. By this, we conclude the session, and we wish you successful partnership and a fruitful collaboration, inshallah. Thank you all. Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you all.